Yo, guys, how's it going? Welcome. Hope everyone's good. Welcome back to another stream. Let's see who's here. Let me, I'll share my screen in a second, guys. Bear with me. Let me just get the chat up. How's it going, everyone? We've got 16, nice. 16 people already in. Let's share this screen. Let's hide the media. Bang, we're here. Hope everyone's good. Like I say, just making sure that everything's good before we start. Get that out of the way a little bit. Nice. Right. Yeah, welcome guys, welcome. Let's see who's here. I need gold to push up. Oof. When you need it to push up, it never does. Never need. Any chance we can move the market? That's the thing as well about them though. Like, I know you say you need a push up, but when you're trading with like that mindset of I need this, I need that, the emotions just become a lot worse. I try to stay away from saying that I need this, I need that, I hope this, I hope that, and just trade what I see. But in terms of longs, you've got the volume on your side, mate. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with looking for more longs. Yo, James, how's it going? Nancy, how's it going? Welcome, guys. Yeah, let's see who's here. Drop a comment in the chat. Yeah, like I say, I'm see if we can catch something today, guys. The markets are in a better condition than they was yesterday, New York session anyway. So I'll stay on, try and catch something with you. Let me just share the link again for those. Let me just share the link again for those who came and left. Delete that. That's out of the way. Good stuff. Good to see everyone here. We've got 20 people right now. Where's the cap, Joe? The cap's off. I had a haircut the other day, so we're all good. I didn't have a haircut in like 2 months because I were in Vietnam. I had one haircut in Vietnam and it wasn't the best, so I just left it until I got back. Yeah, but I don't like constantly wearing it, but when I was out a haircut for a little while, yeah, I didn't. Yeah, my hair was like this length that it is here, like down here. It was far too long. But yeah, I'm going to be looking for longs, guys, on gold. I'll break it down in a second. Like I say, I'm going to let this 15-minute close in 2 minutes. Let this 15 close, and we'll see how the new candle opens. I'm just checking out. Oh, I need to put it in the chat really quickly, guys. 1 sec. Send it out to the community. Put it in the general chat, and then we're good. Right, good stuff. Right, that's sent out. Right, everything's ready to go, guys. Like I say, let's drop a like and get this going. Morning, Joe. How's it going, Natalie? Welcome. Hope you're good. How are you doing, Joe? I'm good, thanks. Dean, I'm good, mate. A little tired. I didn't sleep too well last night. I had like 4 or 5 hours sleep, but we move on. Alex, welcome, bro. Fresh lad, nice one, Tyler, bro. Cheers, man. But yeah, right. Yeah, I'm looking to take gold long. I'm not looking for shorts at all just yet. You can see that we're long. We've got liquidity here that we are about to take. Into that liquidity, we actually haven't taken these highs yet. And we've got about 10 ticks. I'm going to see how far this bottom wicks, this candle. If this gives us a decent bottom wick, because we have closed quite strong, taking liquidity down here. If we do get like a little, which we're not going to obviously, if we do get a little bottom wick, I was going to take a long there. You know, you're going to push like 15 ticks at least. I'm just going to see how much we bottom wick here. And then as soon as price pushes up into these highs, I can go break even. So what I'm thinking of doing is putting a buy stop on this high. if we start rejecting, I'll put a buy stop on this current candle high and look to play this into these highs to the left that we haven't taken. And then that should give you the momentum to push into these highs here. So you haven't just got like 10 ticks, which I know it's not a big push. You've got like 7 ticks, which it's give or take. But the thought process is if we push into these highs, you shouldn't come anywhere near this candle again. You should continue to push, you know, into some structure at least like 20, 30 ticks. But I'm going to see if we start rejecting in a second. If we start rejecting, I'll put it in. Like I say, if you don't want to take it because you're not too far to your first management point, be open to that. But yeah, I think if this pushes now, like there, look at that. If this pushes now, you're going to get a decent push into them highs. This is just a break on these highs, this range here. And like I say, when you come into these highs to the left, you need to be going break even. This should push, really. But yeah, as soon as you come into these highs here, I know it's not much, but you need to be managing. Gold, when it takes these highs, shouldn't really push back into that sort of area. So if you do get a push on them highs and you are in this, make sure you're managing there, because when you get into these areas, gold could reverse. Okay. Yo, Corner, how's it going? Morning, Brian. Welcome. Welcome. 2 wins, 1 on gold today for me. Nice, Alex. Good stuff, mate. See, really, you've only got like a 6-tick stop on this trade, and it's a beautiful entry. You know, you've got your liquidity sweep down here. You've closed above this level that we created to get above. This is your first profit target. When you come and take these highs, you're going to push like this above it, and then you can just manage at break even. Yeah, but welcome, Corner. Welcome. Good to see that you're here. But yeah, decent little entry there if you're in that. I'm just going on to the 4 hour really quickly. Look at the 4 hour as well. You've got equal highs on the 4 hour to take. And you'd expect this 4 hour to continue pushing. You know, you've got an hour left. You'd expect to take these highs on the 4 hourly. So if you are in that, you can manage it. Decent little push, but we'll see what gold wants to do. Personally, I'm probably just going to wait for this 30 to close. If this 30 can close above here, then yeah, I'll probably just take longs into these highs. That's what I'm personally looking for now, guys. I'm going to see how this next 30 closes. If we can close nice and strong, I'm going to be looking for longs into these highs. Because if you look what we've done on the 30, and this is the entry that I'm getting onto now after just breaking down the 15, the 30's taken this liquidity here. Look, taking this liquidity here. Starting to close strong now. So I'm just going to let this 15 and 30 close in 11 minutes. Then we'll see if we can take longs. Yeah, look at that. It's retracing now. How many ticks was that? It only pushed like 7 ticks. Basically like break even. And if you know me, guys, 6 ticks to first target just isn't enough. But yeah, welcome, guys. Hope everyone's good. If you are in the 15, I wouldn't be too concerned. You probably are going to get a push on these highs, but for the sake of how many ticks it were, like 6 ticks, it's just not worth it. If it gave a decent, if it gave more of like a bottom wick instead of like 4 ticks, I would have had that trade on. Because if, like I say, if we got, say, 9 ticks bottom wick and it flipped from there, you've got more of a chance of pushing even more. But with the actual wick it gave, like 3 ticks or something, I'm not putting that in. I wanted a bottom wick of like where it is now. Because when it flips back bullish from this far down, then it's likely to have the bigger push up. With 2-3 ticks bottom wick, I'm not putting that in. Like I say, guys, if I do put it in, I will tell you when it's in and when it's executed. If you don't hear me say I've got this in, or if you don't hear me say I'm in the trade now, then I'm not taking it. If it's that, it's just a markup, okay? Like that was just a markup. I was going to put that 15 in though. I'd have wanted a bigger bottom wick. If you look at the minute time frame, it only created, look, a 4-tick bottom wick before it flipped higher. There's no way I'm putting a entry on with a 4-tick bottom wick. I want at least more than 5-6 ticks. At least. But like I say, I would expect these highs to get taken soon. If you are in longs from anywhere, even if you're in on this 30-minute entry here, even if you're still in from the 30 entry here, which is clean, I'd still expect these highs to get taken. So it's just a waiting game until they get taken, really. But I'm going to see how this 30 closes for the US session. If we can get a strong close on this 30, preferably above here, I'll be looking to long this. 29.15, decent level, look. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Acting as resistance now. Let's see, let's see. I'm in 29.10. 29.10. Oh, 29.11 basically, yeah, these lows. Yeah. Not a bad little catch, that, man. Pushing down now, creating that liquidity, really. It's not a bad thing if it's retracing a little bit. It's better for us because it's created like a double top that we can long into. But I just don't want it to range right now. There's a couple of entries that we could get. If it pulls back more, then we range and we look for longs. The thing is as well, if you did take this 15 entry that I just mentioned, your stop loss would have only been like 3 ticks. So even if you did take it for a little bit of interest, you've only lost like 3 ticks. So don't be too concerned. For me, I want more than that. I want a stop loss like where it is now. And it's a flip higher. Because if this, think about it, if this 15 flips now from here and starts flipping bullish, the likelihood of it pushing higher is much, much larger, if that makes sense. That's why I wait for a bigger bottom wick as well. Better stop loss, more chance of it actually pushing. Because if it's like the 2 or 3 tick stop that we had here initially, it's very likely to do push up and push back down. But let's see. I think you could have a decent pullback on gold before they push higher. I'm interested in that, for sure. We've got 30 here right now, guys. Welcome. Has anybody taken any trades today? Let's see. Let's see. What's the damage on the account? Positive, negative? How's everyone doing? I hope Top Step can pay me out at some point today in the next hour so I can take a trade on the accounts. Because as of now, I haven't traded the accounts in like a day and a half. I've only got like 1 account to trade. So yeah, if I could get them accounts back, Top Step, I appreciate it. Let me check the chat quick, guys. 32 here. Welcome, guys. Welcome. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to drop a question in the comments. We've got some good liquidity to target here. So, like I say, if we do see some like confirmation within like this sort of range, because really the range, I'd say, I wouldn't even be looking for sells this session at all, really. You're bullish, but you could say like around here. But I'm only interested in sells if we start breaking with some good volume. You know, possibly back below here. But am I going to be shorting gold yet? No way. Not with this double top it's created. You know, look at that. Equal highs. High here. High here. Very likely to get a push on these highs. So if we can just pull back, show a bit of something, then we can long into these highs and then into these highs. 30 is rejecting the level 2 and the hourly. And that is why you always stick to your stop loss. wherever your stop loss is, and that's why you got break even too. You know, if you took this 30-minute entry, you'd break even. You'd be in drawdown now if you didn't. If you took the entry here, you'd have took like -3 ticks or something. Be good to get a little long on gold today if we can catch it. Hourly's closing soon as well. But the problem is, I'd like to trade my accounts. And I've waited a bit long for this payout, to be fair. I think what you're going to see on the next hourly candle, for anybody wondering, the next hourly candle's likely to just shoot up, take this liquidity. Then what it does there, it could reverse or it could continue higher. But you're likely to see a sweep on these equal highs now. In the next 3 minutes, that is. So we'll see if we can take the next hourly entry. Because the hourly is actually confirmed. It's very, very rare that happens, but it kind of has. Confirmed. Took the liquidity. If this bullish closes bullish, then yeah, we'll take it. Like I said, I'd like a strong close though. Potentially above here. Charlie, how much do I buy? Roughly 0.2. No, I trade like 1 to 2 contracts on average per account. So if I'm trading 3 accounts, I'll be trading like 3 to 6 contracts. If I'm trading 1 account, it's like 1 to 2. Or if you use lots, 1 to 2. So from anywhere, because I've got 3 accounts, from anywhere from like 3 lots to 6 lots per trade. Do I use MT5 on PC? I don't use MT5 on PC. No, I use it on my phone if I'm going to use it. I've always used it on my phone. So, like I said, I just execute on my phone. I don't really. But I don't use MT5. I use Top Step X and trade of it. But you can trade MT5 with this strategy. It's just I don't use that platform. You can. It's exactly the same. If anybody's got any other pairs they want me to look at, let me know. What about BTC? Let's have a look where BTC is. Bitcoin, look at that, 81k. Let's have a look at this Bitcoin dominance. See, this is what I love to see, right? When Bitcoin dominance is so high, guys, this is when you need to start looking. Well, I'm personally, not anybody else. I personally start looking to get into altcoins. Like, obviously, when Bitcoin dominance is pushing higher, you'll tend to see, for example, let's just say Ethereum pushing down like that. It's like when one goes one way, Bitcoin dominance, the alts go the other way. So what you're possibly going to see, and you don't even need any sort of technicals on it, Bitcoin, look at that, pushing down. But yeah, just a little bit of analysis on that. So we've got 20 seconds until this hourly closes. Oh yeah, you're probably going to see, guys, a quick push on these highs. If not, I'd be interested for them highs to get taken, and we can look to trade into them highs. That's the plan for me. I would like to get out of this range, to be honest. Got a bit of a range here. That's the thing as well, it doesn't bother me waiting for this range to break, because this liquidity is too close. If I'm taking anything within this range, it's half risk. The higher probability trade for me is closing above here. If we close above this level, because this is my range, if we close above this level, I'll be looking for longs into these highs. We've still got good liquidity here and here. So, yeah. What's my lot size when I started putting real money into it? On my personal account, I was trading 1 to 2 lots. And that was plenty at the time. I had a decent sized personal account. Hi, Dawid, how's it going, mate? Yeah, we're getting up to like two lots on my personal when I had it. But I just trade Top Step and other prop firms now. I'd expect gold to push here into these highs. Like I say, if we can get any trades within this range, it's half risk longs. If we get back above this level, it's full risk. So that's the plan for me, guys. Okay. Charlie, personal, yeah, personal. That's what I mean. That's what it was. Artem, how's it going, mate? Artem Moisey, how's it going, bro? Charlie, personal account. Yeah, that's what it were, man. I used to trade only personal. Now I trade prop firms, and my personal money is in other investments. And I like trading on Top Step's platform. It's not just that, like MT5's not the best platform. I like trading on Top Step. The conditions are good. Payouts are good. Like, everything's good. Yo, Oliver, how's it going, mate? Welcome. How are you, Matt? Welcome to the stream. Hey Joe, how are you? Anton, how's it going, mate? Welcome. Yeah, guys, what you're gonna be seeing is anybody who's short on gold from like here, where they're gonna have their stop losses. They're gonna have their stop losses up here. They're gonna have their stop losses here. So what would I... One sec. So anybody who's... Any like retail traders who are looking to short gold too early, they're going to have their stops. Say they're looking to short gold here. They're going to have their stops on these highs. And they're going to have their stops up here on these highs. So I'd expect for gold to push into these liquidity highs first and then into these. So my overall idea is to look for longs here and profit into their high, or profit into these highs and profit into their stop loss. Because why are most retail traders looking to short? Most retail traders are seeing this level here. They're saying that we've reacted from it 1, 2, 3 times, and they're starting to say, okay, we're going to react from it again. So retail start looking for shorts. If retail start looking for shorts, they're looking for this push down here. We understand that they're looking for shorts and they've got their stops here and their stops here. We can look to profit, take longs here and profit into them highs, which is them getting stopped out. Been a lot of people stop losses this price action on its way up now. Yeah, it was the same down here as well. Like, where a retail trader's looking to go short, well, most traders are looking to go short here because it's looking bearish and they're going to have their stops up here. What happens? They go into a little bit of profit. We start looking for longs, bang, they get taken out. If you can find a trap trader, you're already halfway there. Yes, guys, drop a like on the video too. Let's smash 20 likes on the stream. Currently got 13. We've got 30 here, nice. Welcome to everyone who's tuning in. Like I say, drop a like, subscribe. See, this is happening now. Yeah, within this range, guys, I'm going to be looking for any half risk entries into these double top. If we break above this level, then I've got full risk into these highs here. Okay. Mm. 630 likes, insane. Like, insane. 630 subscribers, sorry. Likes. Yeah, if this 15 can close bullish, I'll take a little half risk buy. So if it closes here, I'll take a little half risk buy, and then I'll look for it to push higher into these highs. If it closes back above this level here, then I'll be taking full risk entries. So if it closes back above here, I'll take full risk. But like I say, we'll see how gold wants to perform today. How's everyone's day been today? Has anybody taken much? I'm still haven't taken a trade. There was a few entries today. On the 15, the 15 entry here was very clean. I know a few took it. That was a valid entry. If you took that, very, very clean, very valid entry. You'd be up a decent chunk now. But yeah, that was a valid trade. Do I invest in crypto? Yeah, I do. I've still got a good chunk of crypto. I took, guys, literally, if you look at the XRP, look at where I took profit on XRP, and you'll understand how good. I took profits here, and I've literally got the sell order on XRP and the exact time, and it was literally where this line is. It was like 3.38. So it were like here, and look what it's done since. So I literally sold at the top, and it's dropped 40%. So really, I can buy in what I sold and double my bag. Insane. Am I going to be looking to buy anything just yet? I'm watching this. This is the only thing I watch. I don't watch anything else other than the Bitcoin dominance. If I can see like the Bitcoin dominance slowing down a little bit, yeah, I'll start loading, just like I did here. When it started pushing down here, look at that. Started entering, took all my profits, took my profits here, pushed up since. It's literally just like analysis on one chart, and you can just do it all in one place. Bitcoin dominance is what I look at. Just shows you where the money's flowing as well. So you understand when money's flowing into altcoins, because I don't invest in Bitcoin. So I'm going to see how much money's in Bitcoin to other coins. So if I can understand when the money's coming out of Bitcoin and flowing into other altcoins, that's when the altcoins are going to start pumping. Just a smart way to do it. It's worked for a long time though. For me anyway. Ugh. Yeah, that was a clean entry. Look at that. It was a liquidity grab down here. Closed above this sort of range that you wanted to get above, for that like 29.02. Then this was the entry. Beautiful push. That was at 8 o'clock. How's everyone's day been then today? Get in the chat. How many trades have you taken? Like, positive, negative? Let me know. Let's hear it, guys. Let's hear it. I'm just going to check my top step to see if they've taken the money out. Nope. Yeah, they have. They've taken it. Guys, I've just been paid out on top step just now. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Good stuff. Can start trading them again. Because you can't trade it until the balance has been taken. And the balance has been taken like in the last 10 minutes. Because I checked like 20 minutes ago. So, nice. Good stuff. Payouts are on the way now. Another one. Another 2, should I say. Insane stuff. That's like four payouts in the last month. 4 payouts in the last month, guys. We're going for another one in the next couple of weeks. And that's the thing as well, guys. When you're looking at following people at trading, they need to show you results. Like, there's so many people on TikTok, there's so many people on YouTube that they've got communities. They don't get payouts themselves. They don't get results themselves. Yeah, they'll pass a few challenges, but when it comes to it, do they get consistent payouts? Like, follow the right people. Follow people who trade live, who prove it. Like, there's not much more transparency than what I do. Yo, Wes, how's it going, mate? Back from a walk before the rain comes. Yeah, nice. Good stuff, man. Good to get out. Gold's not really done much. A little bit sideways, but the plan is gold's in this range for me. So the plan is, if we can get back above this level, there's full risk longs into this liquidity. Anything within it's half risk. How do you join the community? If you want to join the community, let me put the link in. I'll put the link in now, guys. 1 sec. I know a few do ask for the Discord access. So yeah, I'll put the Discord community access in. I've just linked it twice, Oliver. If you want to join, you can sign up on my website and I'll give you access when you sign up, mate. Sideways is good, need a range. Yeah, that's it, Wes, exactly. So we've got liquidity above. So even if we pull back more, we can get some longs into them highs. And you've got like 80 ticks there, which is insane. And where's my payouts? Well, Top Step have taken the money from my account. So more payouts on the way. I thought I'd update you because I know I was waiting for him. Like I say, it's still like a day and a half. I've been paid out in, which is insane. But yeah, that's the plan. If gold can pull back here, even if it just takes some liquidity, rejects, then you can see that push higher. We can get that push. Brilliant, congrats, man. Yeah, nice. The top step are insane. Like, from this time in the last 4 weeks, I've had 4 payouts. Like, in 4 weeks to get 4 payouts is insane. How much are you looking at on these payouts? About 4.6k. I wonder how many payouts you've had from them in total. Yeah, more than around. I've had about 15 to 20 maybe. But Tyler, I leave money in. So if I really want it, like if I make 4k in payouts, I've made 8k. I always leave half in. If I've made, if I get 5k in payouts, I'd have made 10. With Top Step as well, it's all about consistency, growing the accounts. You want to grow the accounts over time, get payouts. Like if you can easily get, and with Top Step you can easily get 3 or 4 accounts linked. So if you get 1k, like I've only had payouts on 2 accounts. If I had 4 accounts, I'd have had a 4k. Well, I'd have had like an 8k payout in the last month. But because it's on 2 accounts, it's not as much. But like I say, I'm going for maximum 5 accounts again. I've got 2 linked and 1 on the side, which I need to try and bump up. It's got like an $800 buffer. I took a payout on that one like 5 weeks ago or something. I'm taking 2 combines as well because I want to get back up to 5 accounts. So my focus is on 2 expresses, the 250Ks, and 2 combines at the moment. But yeah, the 150k account, I'm probably just gonna up my risk on it. See what that does. Try and get it up to like a 1.5, 2k buffer. To be honest, I just want the same account size across the board, like 500Ks, 550Ks, instead of all these different account sizes. It's hard work. Yeah, but like I say, you can pass Top Step accounts. You can get 5 accounts and link them, and then just trade consistently. Get 2k like I did, 2k in like 10 days, and then across 4 accounts. If it's 4 accounts, you've made like 4k there in like 10 days. The max contract size, I'm up to 5 now. Because when you take a payout, I think it's 5. Let me double check for you. I'll have to go onto my Top Step account really quickly. 1 sec. I haven't signed in or anything. Let me have a look. It does tell you when you go onto your thing. I think it's 3 or 5, because after a payout it goes up. I'll tell you now. Oh, Goldie's having a nice pullback. This is what you want. So it builds up with time. It's like a scaling plan, whereas It's like a scaling plan. So it starts at 2 and it goes up. So if you get like to 3k, it goes to 3. Yeah, it's a scaling plan, but it builds up over time. Oliver, I'm in. Oh, you just joined the community. Nice. I understand, bro. Nice one. Yeah, I'll Oliver, just check your email in the next 10 minutes. You should get 2 emails. You should get 2 emails. The second email will include the Discord invite link. No, this is fine. This is a healthy pullback because look what we've got now, guys. What have we got? Gold, when we was trading up here, gold only had like 5 ticks into them highs, which that's why I didn't take the trade, because it had 5 ticks to run into them highs. Yeah, you can trade it into there, but that's why you wanted a bigger bottom wick for it to flip with volume into these highs. That's another reason I didn't take it. Now we're pulling back. Instead of having 5 ticks into these highs, you've got 45 ticks. So if gold can close bullish above some levels now, let's say gold gets back above, let's say, I haven't really analysed this just yet, I'm doing it for, let's say we get back above here, because look, support, resistance, I haven't really looked to the left, but what you want to see now on gold is you want gold to close strong back above some levels, and then we can look to long into that double top. This is perfect. What's happening here is perfect. This is what you want to see. Like Wes said, nice pullback. How are we looking? Let's see. Congrats on the payouts. Nice one, Aaron. Are you now taking the bottom range up? Yeah, so because we're coming into the bottom of the range. This is the range still that we're seeing. This red lines is still the range. If this can close bullish, a nice bullish candle in 7 minutes, I'll take a half risk long here into these highs. Because this is still the range until that new range is created. This here is still the range that we're using. So let's say in the next hour, gold does this. Well, this won't be my range. My new range will be this. Okay? I'm trading what I've got in front of me right now. And right now, it's still this. Okay? So let's see how we reject this level. Loving your streams, dude. You're a good teacher. Oliver, nice one, man. Like I say, Oliver, welcome to the community. Welcome to the community. And like I say, in the next 10 minutes, you should have an invite code. When you're in, just say hi in the general chat, and then I'll give you access to all the other chats. You won't see all the chats until you're given access. Ali, welcome, bro. How's it going? But that's what it's all about. This range is the same until more structure is created. Because look, if this pushes down now and does something like this in the next hour, then that's your new range. Can you see how it changes? You're looking for buys above here, sells below here. For now, this range here is our range. If we reject, we've got half risk longs because we're still within the range. That is just the playbook that the community members, like I say, in the Discord, there's a playbook. We have a playbook that we look for our different setups. You've got full risk, half risk, confirmation. That's it. And it's just rinse and repeat with that playbook every day. No top wick on the 15. Yeah, no top wick here. It's got a little one, but you're probably going to create at some point. If not this candle, the next candle will come up and take it and continue down. But this is good to see. We've pulled back and we've took some liquidity. I'd like to the thing for me is I'd like to get a trade. That's the thing. I'd rather get a trade here than here. You know, if we do get above here, we've got a little bit of range, and that's why it's full risk. But if you get it down here, you've got like 80 ticks into them overall highs, which is perfect. So for half risk buy entry, the next candle should be a bullish one above that sells. Yeah, so half risk. Half risk is when you see the liquidity grab and rejection within the range. You want to see the liquidity grab and closure for full risk, and for sells full risk. Like I say, community members, I'm actually going to create for the course an added course video. I'm going to create a playbook, and it's going to be like a 30 to 40 minute video, and it's going to be just diagrams of our entry types. Like I say, you've got the course videos for like what we look for, like range, liquidity concepts, trading into and away. You've got all the trade breakdowns, but I'm going to create a playbook where you've got like every single setup: full risk, impulse, full risk impulse, half risk, and confirmation. But like I say, I'll probably do that over the weekend if I've got some spare time. I think I should do. But this is what we want to see. Liquidity taken, rejecting this level. Gold could push here. The 4 hourly is about to close as well. 30 minutes till the 4 hour closes. Hello, Vinny. How's it going? I'm good, thanks. How are you, man? How are you doing, bro? How many ticks have you got into there? You got 30 ticks into there. Here we go. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Look, can you see this 15 now? It's closing bullish. If this can close nice and strong without a big wick, I'll be looking to long into the double top, okay? And that'll be the trade for the US for me. Yeah, I'll be looking for long. If this 15 minute can close bullish, I'll be taking half risk longs here. Overall targets will be here. But it needs to close bullish. It can't close like with a big wick. It needs to close nice and strong. Like, let's say it closes like this, with not much wick. But we've got 2 minutes to wait here. Smaller candles on their way down too. Yeah, like I say, they're quite decent size, but the volume is dropping off on shorts already. You've swept the liquidity. It's not closing below this level. It's telling you what it wants. It's telling you that the volume's pushing up now. I'd expect this to push into that double top at least. And if we could close here, get an entry, you've got like 20 ticks there. So lock in and let's try and get these longs, okay? Like I say, half risk for me within this range. This is a perfect half risk entry. Sweeping liquidity, rejecting the lower range, pushing higher. But if you just zoom out and have a look where the overall target is, it's these highs here. I'm going to get ready to execute this in a second, guys. My neck's on fire again. I need to link these accounts. Like I say, you don't want much of a top wick like this. You don't want this, because all this is if this wicks like this, I can't enter because it's doing is rejecting the top of the range to push down. I need a close above. Yeah, that's just gone, unfortunately. That entry idea is gone. And that's why you be patient. And that's why you wait for candle closes. That is exactly the reason we wait for closes. Because look, anybody who's seeing this bullish push, who's getting excited, who can't hold and sit on the hands, what's happened? They're straight into drawdown. Look at that. They're straight into drawdown. Because we waited for the candle to close, we miss this drawdown. Look at that. How many ticks in drawdown? You know, you're straight into like 15 ticks drawdown in seconds. That's why you wait for candles to close. Because all this last 15's done is rejected this kind of level to push down now. So the only entry that I've got now is breaks back above this level for longs. Or, yeah, that's it. Literally. We just have to wait for this range now, unfortunately. See, that's the good thing about waiting, guys. You miss this full chop. Look at this chop that we've been in for the past 2 hours, 3 hours. We're missing trading all this. People trading this are having a bad time, I'll tell you that. And that's why we don't overtrade. That's why we don't get emotional, because we know exactly what we want to see. We know exactly where we want to see it. We know exactly where we want to enter, exit, and manage. That's what we have. We're clear with that. $36 in, guys. Welcome, welcome. Can confirm having a bad time. Bowden. Like I say, bro. What's gold telling you in here? In this range right now, it's telling you absolutely nothing. If this 15 closed bullish, it's telling me that the volume's bullish to go higher. Rejecting the range, sweeping liquidity. But it's not done that. It's continued to track sideways. It hasn't closed bullish. Like down here, gold's telling you nothing here, closes above the range, pushes higher, it's telling you it wants to continue higher. We're in the same stage now, like we were this morning before the entry here. Look, range, when it gets above here, it's telling me that it wants to continue higher. Just trade what you see. There's so many people, so many traders they'll trade, for example, a level or an area of interest or an order block or a fair value gap, and it'll be all the way down here, and they'll be watching this chart for the next 2 days. They'll watch the chart, or they'll watch gold do this for like 2 days. It'll finally get into their area and it'll just continue down. And I'm like, I'm saying, why don't you trade it from here into here? And then when it gets down into here, you can look to trade it away. Like, profit either side of the market. Stay open and stay emotionless. Be open to both sides and tap both sides. 1 minute be open to longs, and if it flips bearish, be open to sells too. This information is priceless. Appreciate that, Brian. Gems on George Trades YouTube channel, man. Dawid, wow, nice one. I think, yeah. Guys, and this is what 7 years of trading gets you. There's so, like, you go onto TikTok and there's people out there who say they've been trading for 10 years. You listen to them talk and they've got zero idea what they're talking about, because they've been trading for 10 months, not 10 years. But like now, what are we doing, guys? We're emotion. We're not attached to the market. We're not trying to guess anything just now. We're waiting. We're letting gold tell us what he wants to do. Breaks below here, we can look for pushes down. Breaks back above here, we can look for pushes higher. We've got our targets. We've got our range. We're waiting for closes now. We're not attached to either side. We haven't got a bias. Gold doesn't care about your bias. Another thing. People say I'm bullish for the week, I'm only looking for buys. Well, or I'm bearish for the week, I'm only looking for sells. Well, you've just missed out on 350 ticks push higher. I'm running out of tissues. What are you in, bro? Are you in? Where are you entering? You must. I hope you're not entering in here. There's literally naff all in here. The best move of the day was that the members caught. This entry that a few of the members caught here. That's the best entry today. Beautiful. And that's the thing. I didn't even catch this, but the community did. That's what community is about: learning the strategy, executing it. Yeah, this is a clean range now. If we get back above here, we're clear. Still expecting this owl. Oh, yeah, guys, this is looking really good. This is looking really good. Closes back above here. I'm definitely looking for them full wrist longs. That could be the trade for the day. I think we're going to come and close above this now. We've swept liquidity. You've got that 3 candle pattern that's forming below the range. Back above here now. How many ticks have we got? Let's say we close here. You've got like 30 ticks into them highs. And that'll be probably me done for the day if I can catch that. 29.10. Not a bad area. Just manage your trade, Bowden. Seriously, Bowden, just to tell you something. If you're in from here, look at what gold's done. Gold's taken liquidity. If this is a true liquidity grab to continue higher, gold won't have to come and take more liquidity below this level. So if you're in from around here, reduce your risk to this low. Because gold, this is what I would personally do. I'm not saying that anybody should do this. It's not advice. I'm just saying, if I was in this position and my entry was around here, this is a liquidity grab. Gold shouldn't tech this low again. If this is a true liquidity grab to continue higher, it shouldn't have to go any lower. So yeah, you shouldn't be letting gold push down here now if you're in longs from around here. Bowden, I'm done for the week after this. Really nice. Done on a Tuesday. Good stuff. Good stuff. One sec. I'm just going to update the community with this chart. Because nobody really should be executing within here. Oh, Ollie. Check DM. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah. Am I doing the draw for the giveaway? Guys, if you want to enter the chance to win 50% discount on the... guys, it's because when I get, I'll say 75. I've just, like I said, I've got an Instagram that I'm going to be posting on. I don't really tell people to follow my Instagram, but when I get to 75 followers, I'm going to be picking 2 people from the Instagram follows list at random for 50% off Discord community mentorship. So you'd be getting an absolute steal for a month there. So if you just click that, all you got to do, guys, is just follow. There's literally nothing else to it. Just follow and you have the chance to win 50% off. I'll be doing it at 75. When 75 people get... And guys, if you're already in the community, I'll just take it off your next subscription. When it comes out, I'll refund you. Whatever it is, alright? And like I say, I'll follow you all back as well. All good. So if you're already in the community, you'll get it refunded back. If you're not, you'll get it off if you choose to join or not. But that's entirely up to you. But yeah, Ben's just reminded me. So in 25 more people, in 15 more people, I'll do it. Oliver, let me give you access to the community now, bro. You won't be able to see anything just yet. Let me give you access to all the education. I'll welcome you in after the stream. I just want to make sure that you can see everything and all the chats. But yeah, there's a lot of channels to add you to. It's like 20, 25 channels. Here we go, guys. I'm watching this 15, by the way. 15 closes above. We're on for long, so stay tuned. Stay locked in. But yeah, I don't really post. I will stop posting, guys. I will stop posting on Instagram. I don't really post on Instagram. That's why I didn't really tell people I had it. But that's my trading Instagram for anybody who's wondering. You should start seeing the channels now, Oliver. You got access now. But yeah, 4 minutes here, guys. If we close above, I'm looking for longs. And then we're going to be looking to take them highs out. Because if this 15 closes above, you've taken liquidity on the 30 and it's the hourly too. So yeah, you're probably going to get a decent push if this 15 can close nice and strong. We've had a pullback, liquidity grab. Now we could see the push higher. Right, let's check the chart. This a new Instagram, Joe? Tyler, it's not a new Instagram. I've had it for a couple of months, 2 or 3 months, but I don't post on it, but I will start posting on it soon. All good. I'm back, Joe. Was gone for a bit. All good. You said gone for a hit. I'm like, some people will read that wrong. Did you take buys today? I personally didn't, but there was an opportunity here. I didn't take it, but I know a lot of the Discord members took this. No, I'm going to be looking for full risk trades. 2 minutes, guys. If we close above here, I'm looking for full risk longs into here. Full risk longs into these highs, guys. Just let's see how we close. I don't want to close as a liquidity grab. I need to close above this level here. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Good turnout today, though, guys. Good turnout. 38 watching. Yeah, right. What we want a strong close above this level. We want the next candle to push down a bit, and then we can get an entry flip higher. After this trade, whatever happens, I'll be done. Because this liquidity should get taken, and it can't close below this level. If it closes below, we can't take it. If it closes below here, this is just a liquidity grab to potentially go lower. And then if that, we can only take the hourly entry. So even if we miss this 15 entry in a minute, just wait for the hourly to close and then we can take the hourly entry. Because it's setting up on the hourly too, okay? There's 2 entry types, guys. Like I say, whatever we're looking for on the hourly, on the 15, look, liquidity grab closure. We're looking for on the hourly too, look. Liquidity grab, closure. It's the same, exact same concepts, but different time frames. But let's see how we close in a minute. I need to get above this sort of liquidity area. I'm not taking it if it closes on it like this. I need it to strongly close above. Let's see gold. Caught some buys, 2,900, 29. Nice, Alex. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Here we go, guys. Right, let's see if it will give us an entry or not now. Let's see. I'll tell you if I get involved in this, guys. Like always. Where is my top step? Yeah, I want it to wick down into this level a little bit more. I need a bit more of a bottom wick than this. This is nothing. Yeah, I'm not entering now with a wick this big. I need, like, if we're looking to long this here, I'd want my stop loss to be down here somewhere. 6 ticks. I'll put this in a second. But I'd expect this to flip higher. Right, guys, I'm going to put this in now. I'm going to put a buy stop in on the flip of this candle high here. Okay? If it flips now, that's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to be looking for the flip higher. I'm not in this yet. When it flips bullish, I'll be in this trade, okay? So yeah, I've got a buy stop. Guys, I've got a buy stop in. When this pushes and closes, when it starts pushing through, my stop loss will go on the low. This is enough of a stop loss for me. Let's see, let's see. Just flicking through here now, through my top step. I'll let you know when I get executed, okay? I'm not executed yet. Yeah, guys, we're not in this yet. We're gonna give it a bit of time to obviously flip higher. When I get executed, I'll let you know. If you caught some buys, nice, Alex. The owl is looking good for longs too, so I'd expect it to push. If it's gonna flip, it'll be this candle. But I'm not in this yet, guys. By the way, I'm waiting. What we in here? Oh yeah, it's pushing down now. Yeah, look at that rejection. Beautiful. Great management there, guys. Yeah, nothing. That's why we enter on flips, guys. That is exactly why we enter on flips. Like I say, look at this now. We've literally pushed down anybody who enters instantly. Look at that. Straight down 23 ticks. If this is going to flip now, it should flip and push higher. But I'm just going to wait for this hourly to close, see if it wants to close above or not. Alright? That's the plan for me. Be waiting for this 15 hourly in 10 minutes, then we'll go from there. We have got news soon too. When is the news? Is it at 1 o'clock in 10 minutes? Is it in 10 minutes, guys? It says 2 PM, but I know the times are different. Oh yeah, it's in an hour and 10. Must have changed already. Yeah, next entry for me is the hourly. Oh, Goldie, what are we gonna do here? Continue to push. Yo, how's it going? Yeah, 2 PM GMT. Yeah, I thought so. Like I said, I know the hours changed. I don't know if it changed on Forex Factory, but I just checked and it has done. Yeah, so we've got news in like an hour and 10. 41 here. Welcome, guys. Welcome. If you've not already, guys, drop a subscribe too. Tune into the daily live streams. Welcome everybody as well. We've got like 40 tuning in right now, which is great. Good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, I hope everyone's smashing it. I'm just staying patient in this range, guys. It's kind of choppy. Look at that. Resistance, push straight into it, resistance. Took liquidity pushing down. Just not super clean. This is just a fake out to potentially go lower. See how this 5 closes, guys. If it doesn't like it's going to reject, I'll end it there and we'll wait for the hourly. Look at that rejection, fake out, push down. This is why we don't trade like most retail trade. Look at that, buy in here, straight into drawdown. That's why we wait for our closes. It's so important. $15 instantly just pushed straight down. Hourly's flipping bearish too after taking that liquidity. Not super clean, it's called, just yet, to be honest. See how it closes anyway, this 5. Right, guys, I'll be back in 30 seconds. I'm just nipping to the toilet. Yo, we're back. What's gold doing here? We've got an hour, 5 minutes until this hourly closes. It's literally a big doji right now, and you can just use this doji really. If it breaks above the doji, you can push higher, because all this is, all the dojis is just a lower time frame range. The moon we go, potentially, Alex, potentially, bro. I'd expect this. I do expect more upside than downside, to be honest, with how bullish gold is on like the higher time frame. But just expect that it could range before news a little bit more. Closed on the futures level. Let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah, I'd expect this next 5 to potentially push higher, but we'll see. We'll see how it closes. I'm going to see how this hourly closes, guys. If it doesn't close out of the range, I'll leave the stream there and I'll just stay active in the community. I'll give you an update of what I'm looking for on the hourly close, but like I say, there's not much we can just do in this range. I'm just going to let you set alerts and wait for the close. It's best to just set alerts and don't get impatient trying to execute trades in here. But good to see good to see everyone tuning in today for the New York stream, New York session. But yeah, guys, this is what I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to go and stay active in the community. Like I said, we'll trade there now in the gold chat. Community members, I'll see you there. For those who are wondering what I'm going to be looking for, I'm personally going to be setting an alert on this level here at 29.11, and I'm going to set an alert up here at 29.15. No, I haven't got a buy stop in there. It's pushing to the downside quite heavy. There's no way I'm putting a buy stop in here. But yeah, I'm setting an alert at this level. I'm going to wait for a closure on gold. Look at it. It's within a range. We'll let this we'll let this close out. That's what I'm going to be waiting for. Either a close below 29.11 or a close above 29.15 for longs, okay? So that's what we'll be looking for. There's not much to be doing here until we actually close below in 3 or 4 minutes. So stay patient and see what gold wants to do. Alright, guys. But yeah, good little stream there. I've been on for 1 hour and 20. But yeah, that's the analysis for now. If we close below this level here, I'm going to be looking for shorts on gold. Okay, if we get back above here, then yeah, you've got longs higher. Yeah, Connor, see you in the in the community. Yeah, community members, I'll see you there. And anybody on YouTube, I'll see you tomorrow. For another YouTube live. Like I say, don't get too eager. We've got news in an hour or two. Don't be getting too eager to enter positions here. It's literally in a big range. But yeah, like always, guys, see you tomorrow. And yeah, let's see if we can catch something tomorrow on in the hour and a half that we're on for. Okay. Peace, guys. Trade safe.